the heater has gotten real loud. And when I stop it, sounds like a truck stopping. I called Broan support, explained the problem. They sent me a new heating unit. Very nice support, gentlemen. Friendly, knowledgeable. So, just want to make sure that doesn't retain any power, the one that's up in the ceiling. But basically, I just have to unscrew these two screws, pop the unit out, and pop this unit back in. Of course, plug it back in. So I got both of them down. The problem with the old one is this thing is sliding back and forth, in and out. And that axle, and this one doesn't move. So I don't know what broke on this. And just a reminder, you push these two clips into the side of the box, put two screws in here and plug it in. You're good to go. That's where the two clips fit in. And this is where it screws on. All right, connected it back up. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Wonderful.